Hello and welcome. To solve this exponential equation, we will start by expressing 9 to power x in terms of base 3. Now, you know that 9 is equal to 3 squared. Therefore, 9 to power x is going to be equal to 3 squared to the power x. And of course, to get rid of this bracket, all we do is to multiply these two powers. So this is equal to 3 to the power 2x. Now let us rewrite the original equation. We have 3 to the power 2x minus 2 to the power x plus half is equal to 2 to the power x plus 7 over 2 minus 3 to the power 2x minus 1. The next thing we are going to do is to collect like terms. We will move this term over to the left and move this over to the right. When we do that, we have 3 to the power 2x plus 3 to the power 2x minus 1. And that is equal to 2 to the power x plus 7 over 2 plus 2 to the power x plus half. Now let us look at this term. We can write this as 3 to the power 2x multiplied by 3 to the power minus 1, because from our laws of indices, when we multiply two numbers with the same base, all we have to do is to add their exponents. And you know that this is going to give us 2x minus 1, which is exactly what we have here. Now, when we look at this, what we are going to do is that we will break this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So here we have x. 7 divided by 2 is 3. Then we have a remainder of 1. Now we still have 2 to the power x plus half. And here we still have 3 to the power 2x. Now, look at this once more. You know that we can write this as 2 to the power x plus half multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Now, when you look at these two terms, you're going to see a common factor, 3 to the power 2x. So we can factorize. We have 3 to the power 2x into this divided by that, of course, is 1, plus when we divide this by 3 to the power 2x, we are left with 3 to the power minus 1. Now, when you look at these two terms, you will also see a common factor, 2 to the power x plus half. So we have 2 to the power x plus half into, now when we divide this by 2 to the power x plus half, what we have is 2 to the power 3. And when we divide this by 2 to the power x plus half, what we have is 1. Now simplifying this, we have 3 to the power 2x multiplied by 1 plus 1 over 3. Of course, you know that 3 to the power minus 1 is 1 over 3. And this is equal to 2 to the power x plus half multiplied by 2 cubed is 8 plus 1. Now from here we have 3 to the power 2x into 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. So this is 4 over 3. This is equal to 2 to the power x plus half multiplied by 9. Now, of course, you know that we can write this as 3 to the power 2x multiplied by 3 to the power minus 1 multiplied by 4. Because 4 over 3 is 4 times 1 over 3. And 1 over 3 is 3 to the power minus 1. Now, this is equal to 2 to the power x plus half times 3 squared, which is 9. Now, to get rid of this 4, on the left-hand side, we will divide both sides of this equation by 4. So we have 3 to the power 2x multiplied by 3 to the power minus 1 times 4 over 4. This is equal to 2 to the power x plus half multiplied by 3 squared over 4. And also, to get rid of this 3 squared, on the right hand side, we will divide both sides of this equation by 3 squared. So here we have 3 squared and here we have 3 squared. Now, this is going to cancel that. This is going to cancel that. Now, on the left hand side, we have 3 to the power 2x times 3 to the power minus 1 times 3 to the power minus 2. And this is equal to 2 to the power x plus half times, this is 2 squared. So we can write it as 2 to the power minus 2. Of course, you know that 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 2 squared. And this is equal to 2 to the power minus 2. Now, combining all this, we have 3 to the power 2x minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. And here we have 2 to the power x. We have half minus 2. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So this is minus 3 over 2. Now, at this point, let us remember that 2 is equal to root 2 squared. So we can write this as root 2 squared to the power x minus 3 over 2. And of course, on the left hand side, we still have 3 to the power 2x minus 3. Now, once more, to open this bracket, we multiply this power with these two. So we have root 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 3 over 2 is minus 3. On the left hand side, we have 3 to the power 2x minus 3. Now you can see that we have the same exponent on both sides of the equation. And of course, you know that the only time when this equation is going to be true is when this exponent is equal to 0. So we have that 2x minus 3 must be equal to 0 for this equation to be true. From here, we have that 2x is equal to 3, and we have that x is equal to 3 over 2. So the only value of x that satisfies this exponential equation is 3 over 2. And finally, to check our answer, let us substitute 3 over 2 for x into the original equation. Here we have 9 to the power 3 over 2 minus 2 to the power x, that is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 over 2 is 2. So this is 2 squared. Now, is this equal to 2 to the power 3 over 2 plus 7 over 2? 3 plus 7 is 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So this is 2 to the power 5 minus 3 to the power 2 times 3 over 2 minus 1. 2 is going to cancel 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now, of course, here you know that this is the cube of the square root of 9. Now, the square root of 9 is 3. 3 cubed is 27. 2 squared is 4. Is this equal to 2 to the 5th power is 32, and 3 squared is 9. Now 27 minus 4 is 23. Is this equal to 32 minus 9 is 23? Of course, you know that 23 is equal to 23. So when x is equal to 3 over 2, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching and watch more videos here.